Howdy folks, for today's video, I got something in the mail today. Well, okay, I'm not gonna lie. It was a couple weeks ago and I just haven't had time to do this video. But I am opening it for the first time. And this is the company, Odin Works. And I made an order a little while back because I wanted to change the Glock magazine release on my AR45 ACP AR15, and this one was made using the Spartan lower by Joe Bob Outfitters. This lower has been really awesome. It's worked great for me. I showed this 45 ACP AR15 in a past video where we were doing the pistol caliber carbine extravaganza, where we took out a bunch of pistol caliber carbines and shot them and kind of reviewed them in the podcast. And anyways, this one ran flawlessly. It's always ran flawlessly. Nothing real special about it. But this piece right here, it is made out of plastic. And I've never really liked how it's made out of plastic, but it does function flawlessly with this plastic piece. I just don't like it. And so I found out that Odin Works makes an extended one out of aluminum, and I do like metal. And so I ordered this. It was about 30 bucks, so probably unnecessary. But if it's something that bugs you, like me, I bug you. No, if it's something that bothers you as much as it bothered me having that plastic piece in there, then it would be, you may consider ordering something like this to replace it. So the replacement process is actually really easy. First you of course make sure that the gun's not loaded. Then you pop off the top half, and there is a small screw, an Allen screw right there, and all you gotta do is unscrew that and we'll show you. You want to keep your thumb on it so it doesn't go flying. After you've removed the little retaining screw or pin, screw pin, then take the new piece. This part right here goes over the spring down here. Then you're gonna just push this down, slide that pin in, screw it in. You may have to put a little bit of tension right there so that the pin can drop down all the way. Okay, until it's nice and snug. This extended magazine release is kind of nice. It feels like it's easier to push, and I guess if you do have smaller hands, then it would be easier to reach this than over here. I've got kind of long fingers anyways, so it's not that big of a deal. Feels nice though. Feels a little bit nicer than that plastic one. ETS magazines, they drop free. This Glock one I got from a pawn shop. Takes a little bit more to drop free, I guess. But that's not due to the magazine catch or the magazine release, but more of the fit of the magazine well. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said, if the little plastic piece bothers you, Odin Works makes an aluminum one.